Look at the stars tonight. Aren't they just beautiful?
What was that?
Oh great, it's starting to rain now. Crap. Okay, this time I'm freaking out. It's stopped. It's just stopped. Where are the crickets gone? Chirp, chirp, little crickets. Anyone here? That's very weird. I can slightly hear something, but I don't know what it is. Huh? Listen here, wolf. Who said that? I am a wolf lord, the element of fire. You must listen to me, my child. The dog inside you is more powerful than the wolf inside you. Break free from that tame puppy petness, and you will become the wolf you have been dreaming to be. But how am I supposed to do that? Listen, I know many things. If you go back to your puppy pet home, there will be a big mistake doing that.
What is a mistake?
Your soft dog side will get stronger and stronger. Soon you'll be stuck as a dog forever. But I like that. But if you need to defend yourself, you'll have no idea what you'll have to do next. You'd have to coward and make friends, or fight for your life. That does make sense. It really does. Maybe I should do what you say. Wise decision, young one. By morning, you will become a dog. A pure dog if you go anywhere near there. But if you growl them off, they'll run away and you will own that castle. But be careful. My daughter's pack is very dangerous. By sunrise they'll be trying to find you because you're the chosen and you're a prophecy.
What's a prophecy and a chosen one?
A prophecy is the exact same as a chosen one. If you don't understand, you may ask these questions to the Queen of Wolves when they capture you.
Wait, did you just say captured?
Yes, you have no time to lose. Go now, scare the dogs off. Then you will have the castle all to yourself. Wait, what? Listen to me. This is very important. You must scare the dogs off. Do anything that your natural instincts would tell you to do. But I don't want to scare them off. They're my family. Why would I want to do that? Listen here, wolf. You are more than just a prophecy. You are more than just a chosen. You are the wolf that you have chosen to be. Everyone thought that you were a wild wolf. But no, you decided to become the soft-hearted puppy pet. And for that, that's a bad thing.
I don't want that to be a bad thing, though. I want it to be a good thing.
Being soft-hearted isn't always good. If you're soft-hearted, then other wolves will try to lure you, they'll capture you, and kill you.
Well, how am I supposed to scare my family off?
When they're asleep, let out a blood-curdling crying howl. You are the wolf. Because the strength of the wolf is the pack, and the strength of the pack is the wolf. Listen here, you are the chosen.
Wolf Lord? I guess she is gone. But she's the Wolf Lord. You should do what she says. No time to waste. You need to scare them off.